Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to embed one of your tweets on your own website. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is what I want to do. This is one of my blogs. It's a WordPress blog, and I've embedded a tweet into that blog. This is one of my own tweets. I'm going to take another tweet from my own Twitter account and embed it in a different blog post, just like this. So when people are reading the blog post, they'll see the tweet pop up as well. So here is the blog post that I want to embed the tweet in. And then let's find the tweet. It's this one right here. This is an account that I control, and also, of course, the WordPress site, I control that as well. When you come to the tweet, look for 3 dots in the kind of the upper right corner of the tweet itself and click on it. And you'll see an example or a section that says embed tweet. Select that. And then it says copy code. So press that button. Okay, so I've copied the code. Basically what I'm going to be doing is taking this computer code and then pasting it into my WordPress site. So let's do that right now. Okay, so first of all, of course, you need the login information for your WordPress site. I've already logged in, and at the top of the blog post, it says edit post. So I'm going to click on that. And then there's a very important step you need to do before you actually paste in the code. Above the editor, there should be an option to select visual or text. Make sure that it says text, or it may say HTML, or it may look like 2 pointy brackets. You need to select that one, kind of where you see the computer code, like here. And then you need to find where you want to put the embedded tweet. So I'm going to put it right here. This space right here. I'm going to use just do the from edit paste. Or you can use a keyboard shortcut, like in Windows it would be Control V, in a Mac it would be Command V. So I've just pasted that in there, and this is what the code looks like. It's pretty long. That's fine. Then select Update. You have to wait a couple seconds. And then let's take a look at the post. So here's the post. It looks the same at the top, but then if you scroll down, you'll see that this particular tweet is now embedded in that particular post. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, if you go to in30minutes.com, that's our official website, you can learn more about the many guides that we have, including Twitter in 30 Minutes, a book that I wrote. Thank you.